Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google app or Safari and navigating to Google.com. This gives you the fastest interface. Once done, make sure you're signed in so results reflect your preferences and saved info. Allow location and microphone if you plan to use voice search or local queries. Those permissions speed up relevant answers. Tap the search box to begin typing or press the microphone icon to speak. This first step sets up context, so future searches are personalized and quicker. Now you'll craft queries that return better answers. Think about intent and keywords. Use quotes for exact phrases when you need precise matches, and add a minus sign to exclude unwanted results. This narrows noise. If you want content from a specific domain, type site, followed by the domain to restrict results. Once you type or speak the query, scan the top results and use the filters, images, news, maps, to refine. Changing one keyword often transforms the quality of results you get. Finish by refining and saving. Tap tools or filters to narrow by time or type, and toggle verbatim to avoid Google's reinterpretation of your words. When you find valuable pages, save them to collections or bookmark for quick return. Syncing ensures access across devices. If searches behave oddly, reload the page, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, or clear the app cache. These steps fix most glitches. If voice search struggles, check microphone permission and try again in a quiet environment for a cleaner capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.